Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking pork steaks with an Asian black bean sauce. So what we'll do is go straight to it. And don't forget, everything used in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products and the recipes down there as well. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I'll reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so in today's video, we're going to be doing some pork steaks in an Asian black bean sauce. Now, this is a simple recipe. You can use pork medallions, you can use pork chops, it's entirely up to you. Today, we're going to be using some pork Scotch fillet steaks. Now, this serves up to 4 people, and the preparation time is around 25 minutes. Now you're going to need a direct medium heat. Now you can do this on the Weber kettle, you can do it on the Genesis, and you can even do it on the Q. So today we're going to be cooking it on the barbecue. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Right, so before we start, first what you're going to need is a bowl for making your marinade. There will be links in the description below of where to get these from and everything I use today. So make sure you check those out. Now this marinade, you're going to marinate that meat for at least a minimum of an hour. So what we'll do is we'll jump in, grab our ingredients, and then jump in and start making the marinade. What we'll do is jump straight into it. Right, so now we've got our ingredients. What you're going to need is a bowl to mix it all in, and I'll quickly go through what ingredients we've got, and then we'll jump in and start making the marinade. Right, so first up, what we're going to need is some fresh orange juice and the rind of 1 orange, some root ginger or ginger paste, some hoisin sauce, some sesame oil, some soy sauce, and some apple cider vinegar. And finally, some crushed chili flakes. Now don't forget, everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, and the recipe will be listed down there as well. So what we'll do now is we'll jump in and start making this marinade. So now we've made that marinade, it's time to prepare our pork. So what we'll do is jump back into it. So now our pork steaks are in that marinade, in that Ziploc bag. What we're going to do is leave them overnight. Minimum you want to leave them is an hour for that marinade to enhance into that meat. And then what we'll do now is we'll jump in and start preparing our black bean sauce. Right, so now we've partially made our black bean sauce. Before we finish that off, what we're going to do is get this barbecue lit, get it a 10-minute preheat, and then while that's heating up, we'll finish off the sauce on the stove. So what we'll do is jump back into it. Right, so our black bean sauce is finished, it's set aside. The Weber queue's been heating for 10 minutes, so it's time to get these steaks on the Weber grill. Right, so those steaks have just come off the queue. We've got them resting for about 3 or 4 minutes and they smell gorgeous. So we'll give them 2 minutes to rest, get them plated, and then give it a taste test. That is beautiful. Now don't forget, everything I've used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products and the recipes down there as well. I hope you're getting value out of these recipes, and if you are, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that recipe, and as you can see, it's a really simple dish to do. Like I said, you can do it on the Weber kettle, the Genesis. You can even do it on the queue as I've done today. All you need is a medium direct heat to cook that pork on, and you're going to need a medium heat to make the Asian black bean sauce. The only thing that would change in that recipe myself would be the fact that the black beans were a little bit coarse when I chopped them up, so I probably chopped them up a lot more finer. I wasn't a fan of the texture of the black beans. But other than that, the flavours were infused into that pork. The flavour of that black bean Asian sauce finished it off to a T. And it's a superb meal to cook on the Weber grill. So again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is we'll cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one. Slap that subscribe with that. Right, now don't forget everything I've used in the video. Right, so I hope you got the flavour of that black bean.